What's up, everyone? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Tanisha Latrice, and you already seen that thumbnail, so you already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely Love Me hair. Thanks to your girl over this cute, sassy and jazzy reddish purplish type of bob, and baby, I am here for it. Okay, I am here for it. If you want to switch it up, this is the way to go. Okay. So if you are interested in seeing just how it looks coming out of the box and how easy it is to put on, stay tuned. What's up everybody? So let's get right into this gorgeousness right here. Do y'all see this? I mean, just look at the color, y'all. Look at the color. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's like that red burgundy all up and through there. Like, it's absolutely an amazing color. Just imagine the light hitting it for the summertime, baby. They ain't gonna be able to tell you nothing, okay? And then we got another bang unit, y'all. Another bang. We're gonna be doing a bang. Y'all know I don't normally do bangs, but we doing it again today, okay? And this has the middle part. As you can see, it has the middle part right there. Let me turn it inside out so y'all can see. Middle part, it is tinted a little bit brown color, but I put my brown cap on so we can have the lace, make sure that it pops through the center, as y'all can see. Make sure I get y'all a good look. But this is the center of the unit. Like, that's amazing, y'all. Really nice. We're gonna go ahead and put this beauty on. This shouldn't take too much time, y'all, because it's already looking fabulous. Absolutely fabulous right out of the box. I have not done anything but just take it out of the box. Okay, so let's go and put her on. Okay. It's looking good. Let me pull this down some. This unit is fitting on my head pretty snug. Like, all right, honey. Pull it back just a little bit. See how it's hitting me. Now, you know, with different face shapes, the length is going to look different on everybody. So, but on me, in my face shape, if it hits me like mid neck, and I have a long neck, so this is how she looks, y'all, right out of the box. Cute already. We're gonna we're gonna brush her through, cause she could go and talk, you not really talk. So this looks good, but we're gonna make it look better. And y'all, look what Love Me got. This cute flat iron. Like, it is so cute. Look at this. This is perfect to like travel with. Well, Love Me thinking about everything. So what we're gonna do is we just gonna bump the ends. I don't think I'm going to do any cutting on this bang. I think it's fine the way it is. I don't think it's like too long, so I think it's fine. But once we bump it, I'll see if I want to do anything more. But we're going to use our Love Me flat iron, and we're going to bump up. Get on the playground. So many bags on me. You would have thought I would get spray ground. Now they know I don't play around. I can hear what you're saying now. I just doubled up my flight miles. Coast to coast, no they ain't in town. I get rich, watch, then I get a sick watch. Watch me hit the top, I might make a TikTok. Alright, y'all, so this is she. We're gonna brush it. I thought I bumped it. Okay, look at that. One of the things that's great about this unit is it already comes cut layered for you. Has that layered cut to it. You see, as it comes down and layer, it frames the face very nice, and it has the layer cuts in the front. So I'm liking that. So it's great for beginners. All you have to do is just take this right out the box, bump it a little bit, and go. Like, honey, this is it. Y'all see that? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the front just a little bit, not too much, and we're just gonna cut the front. I get fly, you be crutching on designer that ain't fly. Yeah, I'm not a good cutter. But I'm trying. I'm trying, y'all. Okay. And y'all, this unit, this unit ain't going nowhere. Okay. Be absolutely confident in this unit because it ain't going nowhere. And there you have it, y'all. This is it. Like, what else do you need to do? What else do you need to do with this unit? Like, okay, if you want to put it behind your ear, you can do that. But, you know, I like it all on the side. But this is she. She's a cute little summer bob. Absolutely amazing. Let me show you the back.
I got blessings falling on me. I got weapons, need no army. Stat like Tetris, you don't know me. Stat my fatty, you don't know me. Okay, hey now, it's a new kid on the playground. So many bags on me, you would've thought I would get spray ground. Now they know I don't play around. I can hear what you're saying now. I just doubled up my flight miles. Coast to coast, no they ain't in town. I get rich, watch, then I get a sick watch.
Perfect little bob, y'all. Wear this on your next vacation. Wear this on date night. Wear this just because, okay? She is a great just because unit. Just because I want to look fabulous. Just because I want to look stylish. Just because I want to look jazzy. Just because I'm pretty. Just because I'm all that in a bag of chips. Yes, I said it. Okay. Yes, you want to switch it up, baby? Do it with a Love Me hair wig. They got you covered on your switch up game. Your switch up game gonna be strong with a Love Me hair units. All right, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So before we get into the details of this unit, you know they sent your girl over some goodies. They sent over a Love Me hair brush, a wig grip, wig caps. They also sent over a mini iron. Like, they are thinking of everything to help you look absolutely fabulous. And to top it all off, they put a mesh drawstring bag to help store your unit as well. So let me tell you about this unit, baby. Okay, this is a face framing layered cut bob. Okay, you could just take this out the box. You ain't got to do no cutting if you choose to not do so, because it looks fabulous just right out the box. It has a breathable thin bangs. Like, it's not super thick and it's not super thin either. It is just the right amount for the summer. The color is absolutely amazing. It's that reddish purplish and a little black in there as well. I feel like it is great for any skin tone. It's gonna make your skin absolutely pop. It is the natural yaki straight hair. Like, it looks amazing. It looks absolutely amazing. The flawless top, it has lace in the top for that flawless look. It looks just like scalp, y'all. I did not put any concealer. I just have my brown wig cap and it looks just like my skin. It looks absolutely amazing. So this is a zero skill install, extremely beginner friendly. It's lightweight and it's comfortable. It fits very snug on my head, but it doesn't feel uncomfortable. It actually feels amazing on my head. I feel like it's not even on my head, and it's so lightweight. I feel like I can do anything with this unit and it's not going to go anywhere, and it's going to look fabulous. So let me tell you a little bit more about this unit. I am wearing this unit in the length 10 inches. Like I said, the color is a reddish purplish type of color. The color is actually like a 99J color, which is that reddish purplish color, like gorgeous. The density on this unit is 150% and it's 100% virgin human hair. You do get an attached adjustable band and an adjustable strap as well to help you give you that glueless effect. It also comes with 3 combs, one on each side and one in the back. The lace area is 2 by 1 and like I said, it looks very realistic. It looks very, very nice. It looks like this is my hair. This unit is absolutely amazing for anyone who likes to switch it up with a pop of color. It is easy and comfortable, lightweight, perfect for the summer, extremely beginner friendly. You would not go wrong with this unit. It looks so cute, easy, and ready to wear. And there you have it. I would like to thank Love Me Hair for sponsoring this video. And if you are interested in this cute, jazzy, sassy little bob, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you. You know what I do? There's a coupon code down there as well so you can save those coins. And if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. If you are interested in seeing what else Love Me Hair has to offer, make sure you check out the next video. And I'll see you over there.
I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work.